Hello, my sweet friends. Let me zoom in. And this is the flip book that I made for Madelyn in Snail Mailers. She wished for a flip book, so this is the one that I made her. This is the cover. It says, "Collect Sweet Dreams." Oh, "Collect Sweet Moments." Okay, that's the first page, and I put a little bit of gauze type of cheesecloth behind that and added a rhinestone flower and a little paper clip that I did. And the paper clip comes off, and it's just a little card. Let me slide that back onto there. Okay. And then that goes, this next page says "Plant Sweet Dreams." And inside of it I have this beautiful little card. It says happiness. It says choose happiness. And that just slides right down into the pocket. And then the next page, well, I've added lace and some more of that gauze and this little ephemera, and then the words "Plant Sweet Dreams." And then the next one says, "Today I choose happiness." And it is a side pocket. And on it, it says, "Cultivate a happy life." And I'll just slide that back down into there. Okay. The next one says "Amazing." And I put some lace and a little bit of ephemera and the word "amazing." And it's a pocket, and in that pocket it says, "Make your dreams happen." And that just slides right down into there. And I tied a bow with this beautiful eyelash trim. And then the next one says, "Happiness is time with you." And it's a card. And then on the back is just a little paper clip that I put on there. And it says a grateful heart. And inside of that paper clip is another paper clip. And it will just slide, let's see, right down like that. Maybe I'll just slide it down. No, I'll just leave it in there, just like that. And there you have it, my little flip book for Madelyn. And let me get my measuring tape and measure it. It is, let's see, 5 inches by 3 inches. Just a cute little flip book. And I used some eyelash trim to tie it together because it's so small and because I want to mail it. And it just flips just like this. And she could even take it apart and give them each individually, use them individually as gifts if she wanted to. But there you have it, my cute little flip book for Madelyn in Snail Mailers. I hope you like it, Madelyn. Okay, thank y'all. God bless, and bye-bye.